Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the 0xc0000005 error, also known as the application was unable to start correctly on Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 in 2025. This error can stop apps, game or even Windows program from launching, but don't worry, I have some steps to fix the problem. So let's get started. The first steps is, before diving into advanced steps, try restarting your PC fast. This error can sometimes occur due to temporary memory glitch. If a restart doesn't work, move on to the next solution. Here is my power option, and this you can see the restart option. After restart your PC, then you can see if not work, you can move on the next steps. Corrupted system files are a major cause of this error. First of all, you go to the search option and type command promote, then go to the run as administrator and to click the yes. Now you can write down the sfc/scan now. Now I am copying this and paste the command prompt. Here you can see, then go to the enter, hit press, and to take some times. If it, here you can see the verification is 4% complete. After completing, you can open and restart your computer.